agree with me or not, but I genuinely feel many marriages would be more peaceful if parents, especially the mother-in-law, stayed less involved in their son's marriage. A married couple needs a space to fight, to understand each other, solve problem, and grow together. I will share with you one real incident which explains me why daughter-in-law asked for boundaries in the personal matter. So there was one mother-in-law who had a habit of checking everything in her son's and daughter-in-law's room, even their beds, personal belongings after they left for the work. The daughter-in-law knew about this habit and hoped that it will reduce with the time. One day, after the couple had unprotected intimate time, the daughter-in-law kept an IPL in her room just for safety, in case if she needed. And most important is, she was not sure whether she want child or not. So what mother-in-law did, she casually brought up this story at home, saying that these pills are very dangerous nowadays, and one day one of my friend's daughter-in-law used to have this and she cannot conceive it right now. So now here is the point. Now you have to understand something very carefully. This is not concern at all. This is indirect interference. Whether a couple wants to have a child or not, it is their personal decision, of course. The daughter-in-law calmly replied her that if I ever have any health issues, I will visit to the doctor. That's it. No fight, no disrespect, no shouting. And from that day onwards, mother-in-law changed completely. She started ignoring her, giving her silent treatment, and emotionally distancing herself from daughter-in-law while becoming more controlling towards the son. And this is exactly what many daughter-in-law try to explain. When they ask for privacy in personal matter, they are not rejecting the family. They are only asking for the basic boundary in deeply personal decision between husband and wife.